Drinking moldy water is dangerous. Yes, you heard it right. That water has mold, a type of fungi present in it. It can travel down your body and make you sick. It can cause sore throat, coughing, and sinusitis, but also causes nasal congestion or irritation, itchy, watery, red eyes, and headache. And yes, the list doesn't stop here. It may also cause some long-term effects like upper or lower respiratory problems, body organ damage, asthma development in children, and chronic sinusitis. Here's what you need to know before drinking moldy water. Mold is present in water, air, and in fact in food too. You should be careful if you use reusable water bottles, as mold present in water may build up in the bottle, causing moldy water and cause severe health crises. Mold can reside in water bottles and may thrive in tap water, faucets, toilet tanks, etc. If your water smells weird, sour odor, plus exhibits biofilm appearance in tap water, faucets, etc., then assure yourself that molds are the culprit. Let's discuss some simple ways to protect your family from moldy water. Regularly clean reusable water bottles. Just some vinegar and a clean cloth, and you're good to go. Regular maintenance of drains and pipes. You don't want that fun guy to have fun inside your plumbing. So fix leakage, don't allow stagnant water, and your household will be clean. Regularly clean faucet aerators. Just detach the aerators from the faucets, put them under water, and wash them properly. That's it. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like and share. Cheers!